Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to number blocks again. Oh, look at me, I have a rainbow on top. Love it. I'm the king of the king. Kings of the king. Oh my gosh, there's a ball in front of me. Wee, cannonball! Boom. Club. Square. Oh dear. Balls! There's too many balls here. Gonna wander off to see another ball, to see if there's any more balls. Nah, no more balls. I hate balls. Those round things. I chopped off. The queen. I command you to go right near that bowl. Oh, I hate this game. Number blue. I am. I'm 24. Puh. 24 is a big square. Oh my gosh. Oh. I'm one. I'm nice number one. You better not throw me once. Oh, look at those 3 circles. Round things. 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's all go to the center of the universe. All times, hold on tight. You're going to the center of the universe. Here's the number blocks. Oh, there they are. Let's remind everyone to come and explore with us. We. Just go. We'll stay in one room. I wonder where 1, 2, 4. I don't know where another black one is gone. Yeah, he fell and then he touched the black hole. Oh, no, black hole. I hate black holes. Don't talk about it anymore. You're the gear person. You're not a rectangle. Yeah, let's. Oh, it's a football. Yeah, it's a football. Let's go. Football. You want to say football? Oh, yeah, it's football. It's still a football. It doesn't matter if it's spiky. It's still a football. It's a football. Yeah. Now fourth is the part of the ball. Help me. Please. No. Super speed. Let's go. This is too much. Okay, I'm 31. What 0? You're so slowpoke. You're all staying in this tight room. Stay in there. Ouch. Oh, that's a great game. Let's have a quick game. What is it? What is that kind of game? There's finally some freedom. Oh, mind about freedom. You're the luckiest one. Say 13. 13. I said break apart. If you don't break apart, you know what is gonna happen. Ew. No, my hands. I'm 6 in the mix. I'm 47 and I can be a cute, but I don't want to be a cute now. I'm 8. 8 to be 40. That was like being a bowl. It was so great. There. No, you're actually you better help. What do you mean? I hate this. Oh, it's a ball that can talk. I'm not a ball. Okay, where's Mr. Wise 100 go? I think 100 is not in this game anymore. Okay, fine. Just take. Just get out now. You know my eye is about to come off, but that. You can do a bigger one. Don't you even think about it. Don't matter. Just slice your nap. A prom sword. Have a sword. A sword that can actually slice you up. Doesn't really look like a sword, but it actually is a sword. It's a sword. Swords everywhere. Now where is that Mr. Wise old man? We're starting a low again. Where's Andy Simpson? Mr. Wise, Mr. 100, where have you been? The slow descents again. Because I can't find any other games. Okay, let's just play my creations. Why is everybody upset now? I thought it would be a great idea to make them upside down. That doesn't matter. Because I am 4. 4 and a 4. I'm the best 4. I'm 1. I'm 2. And I am creepy 3. Oh, one of my juggling balls are floating. Oh, this one is actually boring. Let's see. This one. Okay. Oh yeah, I made this one. I don't know how to share it. Always starts with 1, 2, and then a 3, and then a 4, and then a 5, and then a 6, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How much time did it take me to make all of this? Okay, I think I made it better. I'm 100. I'm 200. Don't mind. I'm 300. I'm 1,000. That is the only way to make it still. Help me. Oh my, look at that. Detached. I'm 60. I'm 50. 40. I'm 20. I don't know why I don't have one. Oh, my age is growing. 16. Why? Why did he done this to me? Ah! My 3. My poor old 3. Double lucky. Oh, this is a football. A football. I'm 7. Let's escape from a bulldozer. Yeah, bulldozer. It's gonna be right here. Bulldozer. We have to run for our lives. Help us. Look at the bulldozer. The bulldozer. Help, we have to run. Why are you guys not moving? Let's be quick. The bulldozer. The bulldozer. Momo. The bulldozer is coming. Where's the rest of the bulldozer is coming. Go to run for life. Doodles! Mama. We have to run. My 3. No! The bulldozer's winning. Ah! The bulldozer! Mommy! I could handle this. I command you to stop. Ah! The bulldozer's too fast now. Rock and roll. Let's do rock and roll. Rock. You have to watch out for... Ow! Ew. Oh! Ow! Oh! Mama! Yes, I love gaming. You better run! What? Why? Oh my gosh, the bulldozer. Mommy! I command you to stop! Don't care. I'm good at gaming. The bulldozer! Do something about it! No. Mind. But the bulldozer. You better command it to stop. I don't like this actually. Could. But the thing is, it's too fast. Somebody made it to auto stop. So now it has to start over again. Yes. Don't know why I have a bald head. Weird eyebrows. The bulldozer! The bulldozer! Yes, somebody put it out to stop. But there's gonna be even more bulldozers. The final one is the baby one. Oh my god. What? Mama, this is not fair. The bulldozers! Look at those bulldozers. I want this to stop. There's 3 bulldozers now, 40. Look. Dun 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 dun. Oh my gosh. Mama! Mama! Square power! What the? Oh, phew, was that close? Yeah. Let's go do it. Yes, we won. 40, be quick. The bulldozers I've never seen again. This is the final store out. Quick up, bulldozer. This is the first bulldozer. We have to be quick. Yes, 40. No! We won. Ouch, that was not fun at all. Yes, I can't believe that. We won. No, let's just have a seat. Let's celebrate that we won. We won! Yahoo! A few million years later. Wow, we actually won a bulldozer. Oh dear, it's actually coming away now. Yeah! The